What's up, everybody? Mr. Ball back at it with another video. All right, so we just picked this up from Amazon. The one that I have right here that I've been using for years, I have a video on it. The Slage is acting funny. We've had it for almost 5 years or so, but every time I push the button and try to turn this, it just keeps turning. It's like it doesn't engage, and then one day it'll engage, and then it doesn't. I've changed out the batteries. It's not that. So now we have this one. This one's highly rated. $46 with tax, and it has 5 stars, thousands of reviews. And I like this one because all you do is push the button and it unlocks for you. You don't have to turn the little knob, and you can use keys. So we'll go ahead and get this bad boy installed. Stick around for that if you want to see. All right, let's go ahead and open this up and get this in there. 4 AA's is all it needs. First things first, we're going to take this old one off here. So make sure we get in on that.
All right, ladies, this is how you do it. I use the filter. Oh.
Take the cover off.
One formed all together. Let's this right here. But you know what? It'll help if I let it off, right?
It's just easier versus reading directions. Just watch a video. Have somebody else do it and walk you through it. That's why I make my videos. Where in with new. Put this plate on first. We're just winging this. I'm not using directions, so we'll see if I get it right. This side against the door. I'm just assuming that goes through there. And then get these 2 long screws to the main piece here. Just straighten on this side. Tighten it. Put it in there. Barely. Let's get to the skinnies. So this is plug it in there. And it's connected. Alright. Oh, okay, I get it. Take the batteries out. Need to get these screws in there first. Screw it on the door. Small baby screws right here.
Don't have to get too tight, just get in there. Very small. Don't lose them, there's no others like it. At least around the house. Thousands of screws, but I don't have anything like this. There we go. So hopefully.
So that's locked, that's unlocked, yep. That's right, we got it in there spot to lock this bad boy. So here's how it looks on this side. It's pretty good. There it is. Looks pretty nice. So now we are going to have to get the instructions to see how to program it. Okay. There we go. Press 1. All right, well, you're in business. It's set up. Now I'm about to set it up to where it automatically locks after 60 seconds. All right, just wanted to show you the final result. There it is. It lights up blue. Feels really nice. There's no knob to turn. Cool thing is it does take a key if you want one. But yeah, there it is. And the good thing is it has that automatic timer, so after 30 seconds, it should lock itself. Never mind this board here. It's all banged up and dirty. Boom, just locked itself. So there you go. With the wife and kids around the house, they never lock the door. Well, the wife does, but the kids always leave it unlocked. So now, don't even have to worry about it. I'm glad I picked this bad boy up. So far, it's a win. If anything goes wrong with it, I'll let you know.